Hey my angels, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the new Sunday motivation. Today we are doing a get it all done morning cleaning video. These videos are made to provide motivation and inspiration for the week ahead. I want them to be as realistic as possible, and at the same time I want everything to be organized and put in the right place in the morning. This is basically what is making me happy the most. Usually by 9:30, 9:15 to 9:30, I'm back from kids' schools. And then it's my time for about 40-50 minutes to an hour to put the house in order, to organize everything, to make the beds, to make the house smell fresh for the day ahead. The first thing that I saw in the hall that needed definitely to be sorted out are my son's welly boots from the forest school the day before. They were a little bit muddy, so they definitely needed to be washed out and put away. Then I'm moving to cleaning the downstairs toilet, and this is something that I swear I used to do every single day. I don't know, maybe I'm a little bit more obsessed, but I don't know, it's just me. So basically the toilet seat is quite clean from the previous day, so because of this I'm not gonna use any super harsh like detergents to clean it. First of all, I'm using like those disinfecting wet wipes. Then I use elbow greaser for the inner part. And then moving to the disinfecting part of everything, and of course to make the toilet smell nice, I'm using one of my favorites, the xoxo scents. I'm not so sure exactly what it was something garden. And of course, after washing out any shoes, I need to wash out the sink as well. Anyway, with or without shoes, I'm obsessed, and I used to do this every single morning. And believe me, if you clean everything like on a daily basis, it's a lot easier. It's not taking you so much time and effort just to keep it on top. And I will share with you a little trick that I used to do, and it makes such a huge change. I used to soak my microfiber cloths in a cup of xoxo, diluted of course with warm water, and then I'm gonna be using this cloth to wipe off the surfaces that I need to, like here around the sink, like the mirror wherever I got them, or you will see a little bit later the front door. And this smell stays by the end of the day, and the entire house like smells absolutely insane. And of course, because I'm using xoxo, which is like super strong disinfectant, so on top of having a lovely house smell, everything is so well disinfected. And once again, maybe it will sound or seems too strange for some of you to wipe the front door like on a daily basis, but believe me, I used to do this every single day, even sometimes more than once per day, especially the handles on the door when we are coming from outside. I don't know why, but all this coronavirus situation just made me maybe a little bit more crazy than necessary. So I'm moving back to the downstairs toilet, and I just need to empty this small bin and to wipe it, because if I need to be honest, I'm not doing exactly this thing on a daily basis. It's time to make the beds. I'm moving upstairs. First of all, I have to sort out all the sleeping clothes that we got upstairs, basically to be able to reach the bed and the bedding somehow. If it is during the weekend, I usually used to do this like very first thing when I wake up in the morning. But during the week, the first thing, of course, is to sort out the kids' school, and then I'm doing this when I come back. And this is my newest teddy bear cuddle cushion. It's a present from a really good friend of mine, and yeah, I'm super obsessed with it, and it's so cute and make the bed so cozy. Now it's time to sort out a little bit of a laundry. It's just a little bit, yeah, something that I got from the day before. The master bedroom is ready, and now it's time to move to my son's bedroom. The situation is not so bad, just a couple of things need to be sorted out. And as you can see, if you remember from some of my previous videos, you will find some changes that we made. Basically my husband, he put this square shelves on the wall, or I'm not sure exactly what their name was. They were super cheap. I was so surprised. We found them on found them in B&M for just £8, which is absolutely amazing price. And now, maybe for the very first time in my videos, I'm moving to part of my daughter's room just to sort out her bed. And oh my god, I really hope that she's not gonna watch out this video, because she is gonna, I don't know, made me crazy that I film. She definitely doesn't like me to go and film in her room. But yeah, this is just a part of my house as well. And if I need to keep and want to keep this video as realistic as possible, I have to show you that on a daily basis. I'm doing this as well, of course. Now, moving downstairs, and this is something again that I used to do on a daily basis. I just hate seeing like any breadcrumbs underneath the table, or any fallen hair, or anything else. And because I'm not exactly so strict with walking with shoes, downstairs especially, upstairs no one is going with shoes, of course, even with slippers, but especially downstairs. So because of this, I think that it's not taking me any such a huge effort to just vacuum once a day, and to mop, it's basically something so simple. And now finally it's time to use the mop, and this is maybe, I don't know, maybe the most satisfying thing during the daily cleaning process, because I used to use only the Flora. First of all, because it smells just amazing, doesn't matter which scent you prefer, and second of all, because with the Flora you are disinfecting the surfaces, and because my boy is still quite young, I mean he is 7.5, and he loves to play on the floor. He used to play with his Legos, with his cars. He used just to lay on the floor and watch TV or play any games. So because of this, I want to be 100+% sure that everything is so well disinfected and clean. And that's basically everything. I really hope that I was able to motivate and inspire you with my daily cleaning routine. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Love you all.